In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva design as a PDF. By the end, you'll know which settings to choose for crisp prints or easy sharing, and how to keep clickable links active. First, open your design in Canva. This could be a flyer, resume, presentation, or any multi-page document. With your design visible, go to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the panel where you can export your work. From the panel, select Download. Here, choose the file type and quality that fit your purpose. Click the drop-down and select either PDF Print or PDF Standard. Use PDF Print for professional printing or the sharpest quality, which preserves high resolution and keeps text and images crisp. Choose PDF Standard for digital sharing, email, or website upload, creating a smaller file size that still looks good on screens. For print, toggle on crop marks and bleed if your printer requires it. Bleed extends backgrounds beyond the page edge, preventing white borders after trimming. Crop marks indicate where the printer will cut. Check the Flatten PDF option carefully. If your design has clickable links, buttons, or URLs, leave Flatten PDF unchecked. Flattening simplifies layers for printing but disables interactive links. Next, choose which pages to export. You can download the entire design or a specific page range, useful for drafts or sharing only part of your project. Once all settings are correct, file type selected, optional crop marks and bleed set if needed, and links preserved, click Download. Canva processes the file and saves it to your device. For large files, wait a moment to finish. That's it! Your Canva design is now saved as a PDF with the right settings for printing or digital sharing, and clickable links remain intact for online use.